Today, we will answer a strategy question about the markets for action cameras and drones. We will build an intuitive picture first, then pick the one statement that is true, and finally do a short recap, so the idea sticks. A competitively successful strategy must balance three big ideas. First, create customer value with the right features and quality. Second, keep a strong cost position so you can compete on price and profit. Third, watch competitors and respond with smart, coordinated moves. This triangle helps us see that all three must fit together. Now think about the two markets. Action camera buyers care a lot about durability, image quality, and price. Drone buyers also care about flight time, camera stability, and smart software. Let us draw a simple map with price on the vertical axis and performance on the horizontal axis. Now we can evaluate the statements. We are looking for the one that is true. I will show three possible statements. We will eliminate the false ones and select the true statement. Statement A sounds bold, but it is not true. If you spend without regard to cost, you can lose price competitiveness and profit. So A is false. Statement C is also false. Ignoring rivals is risky in fast-moving markets. You must track competitor moves in pricing, quality, and technology. So C is false too. That leaves statement B. It is true because it combines the three pillars: customer value, cost position, and coordinated choices. Statement B is the correct answer. Let us recap the key idea. A winning strategy for action cameras and drones must do three things: match product features to what buyers want, keep costs and prices competitive, and respond intelligently to rivals. That is why statement B is true.